Alrighty, now trying to do the Korean subway system.
I used to live right here.
Samme? What's Samme? 3 people?
Yeah.
Go like all the way around.
There's 4 of us.
So
Oh, you've already got a card?
I can see that like they all like want to transfers and stuff.
As you can see, she's putting in 10,000 won.
And then I can skip here.
And it's saying there to take out your, get your card.
It's interesting.
Shoot.
All of this is so
Chris,
busy, you know. But then
And 3.
yeah. There might be a amount there.
And
Oh, here we go.
change that.
this is just jam packed.
The ticket vending and card reload device. So if she actually wanted to recharge her card, she could do that here as well. We'll cover that in a different video. From here, the gates go both ways. So you simply bring your card and you put it here. It says go when I go. And when you go out, you can do it again. So on this side, you can see you're going towards City Hall, Seoul Station, Shinjurin, and then so you got to be careful depending on what side of the tracks the train's on. You got to make sure you're on the right side when you go down there, or you're going to end up going in the wrong direction. So with this one goes in this direction. You can see the names there, and you can always see the map. They'll have these maps set up. And if you look in more closely, they've got a Romanized spelling as well as the Korean. And if you look on the door, above the doors here, you can actually see what the next stop is. So we're on 131. So to the left, our next stop will be Chongno Samga, which is Chongno number 3. And coming from the other direction, or if you went on the other side of the stairway, you would be going to City Hall next. So, and then of course overhead you also see a sign that shows what the stations are, where they're going, as you can see here. And overhead inside the subway, you'll see they have a digital overhead signs that'll tell you what the next stops and stuff are. So we'll wait for the next one to come up. So here it's telling you that it's terminal number 3, and you have to exit out to the right. Okay, Seoul Metro. Let me back up. I'm at Changnyeongni Station, so I need to get back to the hotel. So we're going to come here and we're going to go ahead and select English.
Please select service you want.
We want a single-use, one-use ticket.
Select destination station.
Oh, we want to go to Chongno. Chongno. Oh, great. We have to learn to figure out how to spell it. Oh, I thought this was going to be easier than this. Maybe it's Jongno. Go Jongsu. Ah, here we go. Chongno Samga. I think we want to go Chongno Samga.
Select number of tickets to buy.
We want to buy 1 ticket. So it's
Insert
$18.50.
amount of money.
Looks like you have to go down here. Go to the green light.
We'll start issuing tickets.
Tickets come out here. Change.
Purchase is complete. Please check your single run and change.
All right. So hopefully, hopefully we're going to the right one. If not, then we do it again. And in here, these are tickets. Go through. And here we've got, we want to go, oops. Oh, so those are different lines. So that's the KTX, and I don't think we want to go that way. We want to go number 1 line. Here's the number 1 line. So we want to go this way. Okay, sometimes it's not clear when you come down here. So I want to go to Cheongno Samga, but if you just look at the sign, that doesn't tell you a thing. It tells you what the next stop is. Well, we're several stops over. So what we need to do then is we look on the map here. We're here. Cheongno Samga is here. So our next stop is Chaegidong. So we actually need to go on the other side of the platform, because that one's going in the opposite direction. So we want to come over here. And you can see here the next stop is Chaegidong. So this is the direction we want to go until we get to Cheongno Samga. All right, so one of the things we're trying to do today, rather than do a one-way card refund, since we're going to be doing some travel via the subway system today, we want to get a T-Money card. So we'll put like 10,000 won on this card, and then you can always recharge it or put more money into it. However, they didn't sell these in the taxi or in the subway stop, so we have to come up to one of these little booths up here and see if we can buy one here.
T-Money요. 하루에 얼마에?
She's asking how much it is.
3,000원요? 예, 잠깐만요.
So can you explain what you just did?
Card itself is 3,000 won. Then I put some money in 10,000 won.
Okay. So the card costs 10,000 won. Or 3,000 won.
3,000.
And then she's going to put 10,000 won in it, waiting for change. And there's the card. Alright, so as I was saying, the only card they have, the machine they have available here is the ticket vending and card reload device. Two options you have are single journey ticket purchase and transit card reload. So with the card we have here, we can reload this card here, but we had to purchase this separately upstairs, which you just saw. Or maybe you'll see in a minute, whichever way I decide to edit this video. So on the Seoul Metro, we're at Mapo here, the center one, you can see here. So you can actually see the subway car coming, 5074. It's coming this way from Gongdo. So you can actually see the progress of the cars that's coming. You know, oh, I need to run downstairs and catch this one or not. Although I don't recommend running down the stairs, you might fall. So there you have it. So they didn't have this like this before. So these signs will actually show the subway cars coming from both directions, not just one direction. So there you can see 5073 coming from Yoinaru, coming this direction. So this sign actually covers both directions. Up above you can see it says Sang-il-dong Hang on the left and Banghwa Hang on the right. That's in the direction of Sang-il-dong and Banghwa. Of course, in this case, it helps if you read Korean. Let's go through here. So it shows how much is being used, how much we have left. We'll have to freeze frame that and see it better. Okay, another form of map that you'll find in the subways are these here that show just this line. So depending on where you want to go, which direction you want to go, so you got on the left going to Sang-il-dong over there. And on the right, you have going to Banghwa, which is over there. So depending on, and you can see we are the one marked in red, Mapo, 528. So if you're going to Yoinaru, Yoido, or Shingil, then you would get on and you would go that way. And if not, if you're going the other direction, so in our case, we want to exchange on the number 1 over here. Oop, not at Shingil. She said she wanted to go to where?
We gotta go to here. 종로 상가.
Oh, I'm so confused.
종로 상가.
Oh yeah, because Gongdok is next. Okay, my bad. It's so confusing to me.
You still go to each more stop to go to Shingil. We have to
Oh,
go back.
because they got
We need
the,
to go
oh, it's
back.
because they got these arrows here. So you gotta look at these arrows. Which arrows? That tells you the direction they're going. Don't go by looking at that they're both up. So this one you're going from this way down, and from here you're going from this way up. It says we need to exchange at the number 1 line, Jongno Samga. So we need to go this way, which is over here. And you also find station and emergency maps here, so you can see where you get out of the subway. You got to go up several flights of floors, and it shows the exit numbers there. And if you go to the map on the wall, if you're wondering where you need to get off, because you know what building there you're gonna, or what direction you want to go when you get it, you find this type of a map here, and you can see exits 1 through 3 and 4, and you can see that they've got the different buildings and stuff like that out here. Or if you come out more, you can see which direction you want to go out to get closest to where you want to go. And they'll also list the exits with the most, I guess, most popular places that you want to go to out of those exits, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And once again, they got the station map. And they'll even have a city map that you can see here. And you can see the many lines there. Alright, so we're at Gwanghwamun. Next up is Jongno Samga. I want to let you see what it looks like. This is from above the door here. So you see Jongno Samga. You can see the number 1 there and the number 3. So you can transfer at this next stop. Here it says transfer 1 and 3. Nakhanangot is going out place. We bring up the card here, and you see now the instead of the 1500 whatever it was, it said 0. We got 85 something left on the card. We're going out exit number 11 based on where we're going today. See the sign here. Alrighty, we'll see you on the next one. Same thing when you're exiting the Seoul subway station. In this case, you put it up on top.
보증금을 환급받으세요.
Be that way.
사용이 완료된 승차권입니다.
Hey, Jack.
보증금을 환급받으세요.
Oh, never mind. Nope, no, let me out. We just got these.
사용이 완료된 승차권입니다. 보증금을 환급받으세요.
We just bought these cards.